Test-driven success: how Jenkins turns TDD into a breeze. Test-driven development (TDD) is one of the foundations of modern software development, where writing tests before writing code is used to create clean, maintainable, and robust applications. As the methodology itself offers enormous value, the right tools are able to multiply its effectiveness. Jenkins is an open source automation server that makes TDD easy by squeezing testing directly into continuous integration, continuous deployment (CI/CD) processes.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Combined with fantastic tools such as Accelk, Jenkins assists teams in producing end-to-end processes with significant efficiency and quality. What is test-driven development (TDD)? At its core, test-driven development (TDD) is a development methodology where automated tests are written before the actual code. This test-first approach ensures that code is designed to meet predefined requirements, improving quality and reducing bugs. Here's how TDD typically works. 1. Write a test. Define a failing test that specifies a function or behavior. 2. Write code. Develop the minimal code necessary to pass the test. 3. Refactor. Optimize the code while ensuring the test still passes. 4. Repeat. Continue this cycle for each functionality. Benefits of TDD: improved code quality forces developers to think critically about requirements. Fewer bugs, identifies issues early in the development process. Better collaboration, acts as documentation for developers and testers. Scalability, encourages modular and maintainable code. While TDD is beneficial, its success hinges on automation, and this is where Jenkins comes in. The role of Jenkins in TDD. Jenkins simplifies TDD by automating repetitive tasks and ensuring that tests run consistently. Let's break down its advantages. 1. Automated pipelines for continuous testing. Jenkins integrates TDD seamlessly into CI/CD pipelines, ensuring that tests run automatically whenever new code is pushed. Developers receive instant feedback on whether their changes meet requirements or introduce errors. 2. Customizable workflows. With its declarative pipelines, Jenkins allows teams to customize workflows for TDD. Developers can trigger tests automatically after each commit, run specific test suites based on the code being modified, parallelize tests to speed up execution. 3. Plugin ecosystem. Jenkins' vast plugin library enhances its capabilities. Plugins like JUnit, TestNG, and SonarQube ensure comprehensive test execution and reporting. Accelk, an AI-powered test automation platform, integrates seamlessly with Jenkins, adding a layer of intelligence to the testing process. 4. Feedback loops and reporting. Jenkins' real-time notifications and detailed dashboards ensure quick feedback. Developers are immediately alerted to test failures, allowing them to resolve issues without disrupting the development flow. How Jenkins makes TDD a breeze, a workflow. Here's a typical Jenkins TDD workflow. Step. Action. 1. Write tests. Define automated test cases using frameworks like JUnit or TestNG. 2. Code development. Develop the application code to pass the tests. 3. Commit and push. Push code to a version control system like Git. 4. Jenkins pipeline. Jenkins triggers automated builds and executes the tests. 5. Review results. Analyze test results and fix any failures. This cycle repeats continuously, ensuring that the code always adheres to the desired quality standards. Why Jenkins excels in TDD? 1. Scalability. Jenkins supports distributed builds, enabling teams to run tests across multiple environments and machines. This is particularly useful for large projects with extensive test suites. 2. Flexibility with plugins. With over 1,500 plugins, Jenkins can integrate with a variety of tools, making it adaptable to diverse testing needs. For instance, integrating Accelk allows for automated end-to-end test execution, AI-driven insights to enhance coverage, simplified test creation with Codeless capabilities. 3. Enhanced reporting. Jenkins reporting plugins provide actionable insights into build and test results. Teams can monitor trends, identify flaky tests, and improve their TDD processes over time. The power of Jenkins and Accelk in TDD. While Jenkins automates CI/CD workflows, pairing it enhances the TDD process with intelligent, codeless test automation. Here's how they work together. Feature. Benefit to TDD. Codeless automation simplifies test creation, making TDD accessible to all team members. AI-powered automation optimizes test coverage by identifying edge cases automatically. Business process testing focuses on validating real-world user scenarios. Seamless CI/CD integration runs tests directly within Jenkins pipelines. For example, a team using Jenkins for pipeline automation and Accelk for test automation can achieve faster development cycles, higher quality, and reduced manual intervention. Best practices for Jenkins in TDD. To maximize the benefits of Jenkins in TDD, follow these best practices. 1. Use version control. Make sure code and test cases are in a version control like Git. This allows for a single source of truth and fosters collaboration. 2. Automate everything. Automate as many tasks as possible, from builds and tests to deployments. Jenkins pipelines make this straightforward. 3. Monitor test coverage. Use tools to monitor code coverage and identify gaps in testing. Focus on covering critical paths and edge cases. 4. Leverage reporting plugins. Tools like Accelk and JUnit provide actionable insights into test results. Regularly review these reports to improve processes. 5. Parallelize test execution. Use Jenkins' distributed build capabilities to run tests in parallel, reducing execution time for large test suites. TDD challenges and how Jenkins addresses them. Despite its benefits, TDD comes with challenges. Jenkins helps overcome these effectively. Challenge. Solution provided by Jenkins. Time-consuming test executions. Supports parallel testing to reduce runtime. Maintaining consistent pipelines. Offers reusable pipeline templates for standardization. Lack of visibility into failures. Provides detailed reports and notifications for quick resolution. Decision-making insights for teams. When choosing tools for TDD, consider their compatibility and added value. Here's a quick comparison. Tool. Strength. Ideal for Jenkins. Automates CI/CD workflows and integrates with testing frameworks. Teams need scalability. Accelk. Enhances TDD with AI-driven, codeless test automation and business process validation. Teams focusing on end-to-end testing. Combining Jenkins with Accelk ensures a comprehensive TDD strategy that covers all bases.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.